a new components here. This is terminal block from China. BXBS XSAB. $10 pieces each plastic. Two-pin terminal block. So this side, this is screw, and this side, this is PCB for PCB mountings, and this side for connecting the wire. 2-pin for the PCB. 10 pieces color blue, another 10 pieces. Another 10 pieces color blue. So we have now 20 pieces. So we can also make this to connect together by like this. To make it pour. To make it pour out. We need to connect, or we're going to connect this one. And then we have another 10 pieces PCB mount screw terminal block connector, straight pin 2, okay, from China, and 10 pieces another PCB terminal block, 10 pieces color green, the color is green, the same. We have to screw for the wire, for the PCB, this pin, and then we can also connect like this to make it a 4-pin. So we can connect like this and it becomes 4 pins. Another PCB terminal block, another one, 10 pieces again, the same. Let us see how can we connect this to the PCB. This is the PCB. We're just going to put the terminal block in the PCB, then solder the 2 pins, and then to use wire like this one. We need to use the screwdriver like this one, screwdriver, and then connect the wire here, insert the wire, screw again, the other one, insert the wire, Then we have now the two wires connected to the terminal block. That is how to use this terminal block. And we can make it a 4-pin by inserting this slot to the other end, to the other, like this, inserting the slot. We have now a 4-pin terminal block. And that is how to use this terminal block.